Snail farming, which is also called heliculture, and we have introduced the snail farming in this region because one, snails don't require a lot of space. They also don't require a lot of resources, so we are feeding them in fact with the farm waste. So watermelons and pawpaw and banana leaves. So in a small space you can grow your snails. In this area, although they are not a delicacy, you can also use them for beauty products. So the serum that comes from the snails, we hope that we can sell it as an ingredient to beauty products.
So this is called heliculture. It's a farming of snails, snail farming. We have a month since we started, and yeah.
It's a new farming method, so we are also learning in the process, and also the market has not grown that much. So like the meat market is mostly in Nairobi. For us also, we have not experienced in eating the snail meat. So mostly we are looking at the beauty products part because that market is already there, and we could add it with our other products from the farm and make these products. I tell farmers is to diversify, don't only grow maize and beans. There's other lucrative methods of farming that you can practice, and that's why we have demonstrated different models here on the farm. And one is for the farmer, encourage them to grow things that they eat for their own food, and then if you have surplus now you could sell in the market, so at least you are well fed with your family before you go selling out in the market.
So this is called heliculture. It's a farming of snails, snail farming. We have a month since we started, and yeah, plant in place, so we have to move them. So the challenge of also this free range kind of